Hi, this is Matt Bernstein from Low Cost Hustle, and today we're going to learn about how to do a product page widget to the right side of your WordPress website. What I'm talking about is the products on the right side of your page. There's a list of 4 of my products that are on sale. And from any page of the website that your visitor is looking at, they could see this. To the right side of their page, always. You click on one, and it takes you to the product sales page. Now, in order for you to replicate the exact same thing, you're going to need to download the featured category widget. It's for free, and you can find it in the link of the description. Once you've downloaded that and added it to your plugins, and then go ahead and activate it, from your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance and click on Widgets. Again, this is after you've already downloaded and activated the featured category widget. From the available widgets, drag the featured category widget to your sidebar. Once you've went ahead and done that, title it Products. So you've already created product sales pages. Now you need to go ahead and replicate the exact same idea as blog posts, because this widget only accepts blog posts. So once you've went ahead and copied and pasted all the information from your sales pages into blog posts and create a category for them, call the category Products, and put all your product sales pages into the same category. So in the widget, title it Products, use the Products category which you just created, show the post title. How many posts will be displayed on the widget? I have 4 because at the time I have 4 products. As you create more products, you can have more posts being shown. And I'll just keep everything the exact same. And you want to show this widget on all pages of your website. Go ahead and click Save. And once you've done all the easy step-by-step tutorial in this course, your website widget should look exactly like this. You've already created your product sales pages, so copy and paste that information into a blog post. You should have your course image as the featured picture in the blog post. For your title, you should have your video course title. And that's all there is to it. It's very simple when you have a step-by-step process in place from someone who's already done it. Thank you so much. This is Matt Bernstein from Low Cost Hustle.